Good job.
That was 2 days ago. That was not.
You want to see my hiking fit?
Oh, that's cute.
Come here, Suki.
Nice. You match Suki. You and Suki match. Suki! Look. Suki, look. It was cute. Suki enjoying herself getting spoiled today. She getting spoiled. Look at her. Don't even want to go where mama. I hate when she try to control her. Try to go wherever she want to go. That's nice.
It's such a beautiful day today.
You not cold?
No, it's not cold at all. It's kind of hot. It's giving flood weather.
Don't say.
Come here, Suki. Come here. Come here. Hey y'all, welcome to another vlog. So we are on a nice little hike today at this beautiful lake. Isn't it gorgeous? It's a nice day today. It's a little drizzly, but definitely not hot, and I love that. It's been a while since I've came on a nice little hike, and I'm enjoying it with my doggy, Suki. It's been a minute since I talked to y'all. A lot has changed, but also a lot has not changed. In regards to my fitness journey, I haven't been doing the best, and yeah, it sucks, but you know, a wise woman once said, every day the sun don't shine, and that's why I love tomorrow. So that's what we're doing right now, on our little hike, so we could get back on track. And yeah, recently I've been accomplishing a lot of things academically, and as I was saying, so I've been accomplishing a lot of things academically and like career-wise, and I just recently, once I like wrote it all down and planned it all out, I just felt really optimistic about my future. Like, I came here to Texas with a game plan, a mission, things that I wanted to accomplish, things that I was going to do, and things that I wasn't going to do. And there was a few like what you call it, like go off the path a little bit, I guess. But now we're back on it and things are falling into place and I'm loving it. And I'm just so excited and optimistic about my future. And yeah, so if like, yeah, I fell off a little bit with my weight loss journey, but I made progress in my life journey. And I feel like my weight loss journey is a part of my life journey, but the bigger picture is falling into place and, you know, making progress. And I love that. So yeah. Yeah. So I just wanted to say hi while we're on this lovely walk at this beautiful lake with my doggy. She's getting a little tired. Y'all know she old, but it's okay. And yeah. It's starting to rain. And I've gotta, don't know how far I am from my car. It's like really raining. I should have bought a hoodie or something. I thought I was gonna make it back before it started raining. I don't know if I should keep going this way or if I should turn around and go backwards. Like, I know my car is on the other side of this lake, but I don't know how far this path goes down. I feel like it probably goes pretty far because I can't see the end of the lake over there. Is it stopping? I think it stopped. And I guess I'll keep going. We're living on edge. Cause yeah. Hopefully this camera, I don't know, if it's just a little sprinkled, if that's bad or not. I don't know. This lake is actually quite big. I didn't know it was this big. I thought it was like a little. It stopped. Yay! I'm hecka sweaty. Sweaty and rainy. A vibe. Suki, stop going over there. That's where the cars go. That's not for us. Hey! Come on. She's gonna be so tired after this. I don't know if I'm just being overconfident, but I felt like I could finish walking the whole lake today. I feel like that's possible. Hopefully, I'm not being too, you know, overconfident, but I think we could do the whole thing. Oh no, this lake is kind of big. Some garden up there. I don't know what that is. I felt like maybe I should turn around, but I don't want to. So Suki said we done. So yeah, we about to head back when she gets her rest break. Yep. It's okay, Suki. My dog has decided that we are done. She's protesting. She's tired. Doesn't want to move, so it looks like I'm going to be carrying her back to the car. I don't know how far that is. I feel like it's about, I don't know, 2.5 miles, but you know, that's my girl, and I'm gonna make sure she's comfortable. So yeah, she's gonna sleep good when we get home, and yeah.